Special invitation. Hooray! The Apostolic Administrator of Catholic Diocese of Warri, His Grace, Most Reverend Augustine Obiora Kubeze, priest, religious, and all lay faithful of Catholic Diocese of Warri, prayerfully invite family, friends, and well-wishers to the Episcopal ordination and installation of the Bishop-elect of Catholic Diocese of Warri, Right Reverend Monsignor Anthony Ehwerido, as the Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Warri. Date: Thursday, 9th February 2023. Venue: Holy Martyrs of Uganda Minor Seminary, NRN Road, Efrun, Warri. Time: 10 a.m. Signed, Very Reverend Father Professor Jude Obiunu, Chairman, Episcopal Ordination and Installation Planning Committee. Very Reverend Father Clement Abobo, Chancellor, Catholic Diocese of Warri. Very Reverend Father Barnabas Esegine, Vicar General, Catholic Diocese of Warri. Come one, come all.